Alright everyone, so here lately I've been wanting to start a pond out here for my African cichlids, but if I was in a situation where I had an emergency and I had to build a pond fast, POPOSOAP in this fountain box would save the day. Because let me tell you guys, this thing is so easy to set up. All I had to do was undo a twist tie, clip 4 clamps, and screw this piece on. That's it. 5 minutes. I took a tub and I took some rocks and this wonderful fountain right here and made a pond. If you had a situation where your cichlids or any other fish or turtles, amphibians, whatever, if they were fighting, you wanted to start breeding, whatever the case may be, this is perfect. I could adjust settings and run this bad boy higher and make it to where it was spraying out further, but I don't want to do that. I have a small setup, but the option's always there. I could run it a lot higher than what it's running now. Another thing, it does run at 660 gallons per hour, so it's going to do a lot of essential filtration. It does come with bio balls, but I'll have a video linked in the description and in the top. If you want to see how I put this together, you can go ahead and click that now. And if you want to see more videos or you want to see the fish get added, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But as far as being the quickest and the most economically friendly fountain, POPOSOAP hands down is the best out there. You're not going to find one better. Matter of fact, I tell you what, if you find one better, let me know in the comments. I'll check it out, I'll get one, I'll test it out, and I'll give you a POPOSOAP for free, and you can tell me if it's better. I'll uphold that. Go ahead and let me know.